What's up, y'all? Dominoes 7 here. Alright, I would like to welcome y'all to the Dominoes 7 show, live location in my crib, okay? Well, I want to tell y'all, I haven't done a full episode of MechaCon. I was just doing loosely videos and stuff like that. But now, these videos is going to be individual, okay? Well, my other my camera phone that I found, is going to be loosely, okay? So anyway, if these cameras still in here, let me, excuse me a minute, y'all. Let me see if I can find my camera. But this is my old camera that I don't use anymore because it's broken. El Cheapo, okay? El Cheapo cameras, you know. Okay, let me find the camera. Oh, here they are. Okay. These what I'm gonna film with too, because you know somebody said that I have multiple cameras, as y'all heard on the video yesterday. If y'all seen the episodes or whatever, okay. So anyway, with my old camera phone is gonna be loose leaf, okay, loose leaf cameras. I mean loose leaf videos. So anyway, I'm gonna do loose leaf with this and this, but anyway, the other camera that I'm gonna film with. I'm not gonna edit it into this episode, you know. Okay. All right. So that's it for now. All right. About to go to a commercial break. I'm about to go take a shower. Okay. All right.